I've cleaned the flywheel, also taken the starter off, cleaned it, had a bunch of burrs and crap behind it. The rest of this dirt, which has been on there for years, I'm just going to leave it. I put a little bit of WD-40 right here on the linkages for the brake and one of the thing that holds the whole deal up. I'm going to put it back together because I want to put this away and get back on the deal. So I was right about this. This was full of dust, and hopefully my ignition system will work better. I hope. And then I'll put, this is the rear hub, the freewheeling hub, and there's a brake inside of it, which I'm not going to take out right now. The brake I think is pretty good shape. But that goes on right here. Then I'm going to put it back together and just ride it and enjoy it. This is my therapy. Alright.